Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is EV Station Booking App using Google API. Abstract. This EV cars thus recurring charging in location along the road so the people can charge their cars as they used to fuel them. Being the initial state of the risk of electric vehicle, people are not aware of the location of charging station. Hence, during this article, we turned to plan the planning and implementation of electric vehicle charging station finder application developed in the Android Studio using Java programming language. This mobile application will have map that will help the users quickly contact the charging location. The app begin in the form of the mobile application will provide a lot of convenience and reliability and will allow them to easily communicate with the users. As per constraint of the electric power of distribution network, electric vehicles charging stations are restricted and it is difficult for the new heat unit owners to discover the station. So as to produce information to users concerns the charging station and to help them navigate. It developed a need for the mobile application to assist the electric vehicle owners in this process. Flowchart of our project. The users, first of all, the users, we have the two apps, the users and admin. The user register and login fully authentication using by the Firebase database. The first After the login, the first page is the view map of all the EV stations connected with the map. Then book the slot. If you want the booking the slot, type the name of the EV station and now your vehicle number and then your project is your date and time, all the details enter and then press OK. After the pressing OK, your booking history also show here and the database are all the details stored in the Firebase database. In the admin app, view the user list and view the booking list of the users. Thank you. This is of our user app. This is first page of our app. This is login screen and the new sign up screen. This is sign up screen. First we enter the sign up. Then we create the song. Then we first of all name is Shanti. Then mobile number is the phone number. Enter. Then register shanti@gmail.com. Then enter the password. Then click the sign up. And press the sign up button. The login successfully. This is our current location. So this is emulator. So because print did not click the correct location. So this is emulator. So we give the approximate location. I am in the Madurai Nagar. So it is showing the Madurai Nagar. And then nearby stations are there. See here, electric vehicles, all the stations here with the view list type also. Click the view list, all the view list stations, list type also, stations viewing with list type, then view map. Then if you want to book means then Tucker charging station. Then click the Tucker charger station. Then click the button. In this field, I enter all the details. In this station name. This is booking for station name and this is our vehicle number. Then which date you want to book means just select the date. Now need to type if you click the icon means just to open the calendar and then select the date. And if you want to select the time, just click the time icon, then click to open the time. Then amount 250 rupees. Then vehicle type, this is car. Okay, then submit. data stored in success. See here, our details of the vehicles is showing here. Tracker station, vehicle number, mobile number, all the details are stored in this. Wait here, I show you the admin panel registration of all the details and user details are showing that place. Wait, I show you. This is our admin app. Admin username password as a default admin. Then password is 123456. Then press login. There are two user details. These details are showing our users list. Like Santi, user, Krish, these three members are our user details. These are all from get from the Firebase database. The booking details. These are all fully booking session. Last I'll be booked 250 rupees car 1254. The booking states, tracking session. All the details are showing here. Thank you.